Make a great choice today with
The 2019 Tundra. Tundra has a number of unique features useful for those using it as a work truck, including extra large door handles, a deck rail system, and an integrated tow hitch. Included as standard are vehicle stability control, traction control, electronic brake force distribution, anti-lock brakes, and tailgate assist. With a towing capacity of up to 10,000 plus pounds and a payload capacity of over 2,000 pounds, the Tundra is the perfect mix of power and efficiency. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitoring system, electronic stability control, trailer brake controller, alloy wheels, brake assist, traction control, stability control, rear step bumper, remote keyless entry, fog lights. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.